I don't miss him.
So you know what is always there.
I see you. My mind is like this. Don't mind me.
Serious concentration.
We'll start by giving her the gift. We'll start by issuing the gift. Yes, that's what we're starting with. We're starting with that one. Or what do you suggest? Or we should we can't wait for. Or what do you suggest? Should we do it at the end of the session? The sound is not coming.
Managing it. Everything's here. And what they need of me. But that was confusion.
Just making this sound. This mic. The sun is up.
I should say everywhere. It's network. If you can't find it, if I share screen, you see. Yes, it's network. YouTube. YouTube show. If I share the screen, let me share my screen. Maybe we can just do a sharing screen. Audio on you. I can't hear the audio from. I can't hear it here. Share YouTube. Okay, my own. This one go. Once you only from record. So on share, can okay, yeah, just
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
So this should look at you.
So you use it now.
Bluetooth mode.
okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Happy Sunday to us all. Are there people joining us for the first time? Are there people here joining for the first time? Okay. You're welcome. All right. So once again, my name is Kuye, and I'm one of the stewards of the Tyap Wikimedians in Zonkwa. So today is our last day for this training session, and I want to believe that for what we because looking at the activities after tomorrow, yesterday's session, and then continue what they were doing. So well done to everyone. And for some of us who are not able to continue the editing after leaving the session here yesterday, I don't know what happened, but all is well. So this afternoon, I think we don't have much time left from our end because ideally we are supposed to have started the session by 1 p.m. But we ourselves, we came here very early, and but well, I guess Holy Spirit in Zonkwa is different. So we have yes, we had some delay in our coming. But then now that we are here, we just begin. But please bear in mind that we will try to rush as much as possible so that we can catch up. Whatever we need to catch up with, because we're going back today. We have to go back today. So please, you have to pay attention and then also bear with us because the way we initially thought we can be able to manage the motion, move slowly. I don't think we are going to keep to that. So we just so as well we understand, I believe as our leaders here can be able to guide us and put us through some of those things. But going into that, I will just have to go through the our dashboard for today. Let me share my screen. Okay, so this is where we are. Please, for you who is just joining us today, I guess just pay attention to maybe after the session they can guide you. They can put you. So today we just want to first we just want to recognize some of those active contributors, those who have been active even after the session yesterday. And just as we said, the system here shows everything as it is. And today we would like to recognize 3 male and 3 female. We understand that the male try to be the giant of Africa, and the giant of Zonkwa, and the giant of Jju. But we try to balance this so that we can carry everyone along. So how do we do this? We just go back to track to see the work that everybody have done so far. You know, we won't say because you know this one and you know that one, so it keeps work. It doesn't work like that. It works based on your activities, what you been doing. So we'll just go straight to that, and then I will share our go to the incubator from the meta page. This interface here is called the meta page. What you are seeing here is called the meta page. All right. So from the meta page here, we just scroll down a little. You see from activities, event activities, you see Friday 15th. Then after that, you see Jju Wikipedia Incubator. So if you click on that one, it will bring you here to this place. So this is where everything is being done as far as activities. So this is where we track almost everything. So from here, you just come down here to check wiki activity. So from here, this is where we are. This is the general statistics of how the work has been done. So from the beginning, from when the whole Jju Wikipedia or the incubator was started, everything is being tracked here. So we just scroll down to December because this is when this whole program is being run. Now from here now you see the activities. We just recognize all of these activities. It is believed that from this session that is where we got all of these contributors from. So I don't know because from the Jju name here, I don't even know which one is feminine, which one is masculine. I'm just seeing names scattered around. So I don't know who is male and who is female. But I believe we are going to identify them as we we know who is a male and who is a female, right? So without wasting much time, the top on our list is JJ Nzama, but yes, let me mention that very quickly. But yes, so as far as these 4 people here is concerned, they are out of the equation. Yes. They are out of the equation as far as what we're doing. So the person here, as far as this is concerned, that we compare to be at the top, is Nzama Jr. Please, let's give him a hand. Just look at the shirt size.
Just start. My phone off yesterday.
I'll just look at your size first. You know, everybody's big, but some are bigger than others. That size. You should be wearing. I think.
Maybe for the picture sake.
Yeah. So this one. So JJ, you handle it. Okay. You No, come back.
Like, but I like song.
Congratulations.
All right. So thank you very much. So quickly, the next on the list is it Bataram? Please no.
More than one picture.
Multiple.
Okay.
Okay, so the next on the list there is Katangwat.
This one is this one. I've never had no, don't give you, don't give
Please, the noise is much. Huh? The noise is too much.
So on behalf of the Jju Wikimedia outreach, Zonkwa organizers to present this appreciation to you for your efforts. So thank you for participating.
Okay, so far we have recognized how many males? Two male, right? Okay, let's move down. So the next one here is culture 74. Yes, it's not the next one. We have many tools here. Okay. Give us the size.
And now, women are 7. What the best loser?
You, Hamid.
So culture is we have our
Or share.
We hope this one will inspire you to move faster. Thank you.
Well done.
Okay. So moving down quickly. Now we have 2 females to recognize. We have recognized 3 male. Now we have 2 female to recognize. So here now, the next person here is Kazachat 1. It's a boy. Okay. Sandra. Then the next one here is Sandra Zuchat. Yes. We have recognized 3. So we have. You said Kazachat is a boy. And we have. Okay, you are. Who will hand over this one?
No, this lady is at
Please hurry up. Come on, hand over this.
No.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Thank you very much. As it is now. Yes. So the next one here is the next female here is Nzama Kosham. Man over this one. On behalf of the organizers, Jju Wikipedia All right. So moving on, we also have some consolation here to appreciate other female and other males. We have 3 calves and 3 males and 3 females. Okay. So we'll look at them carefully so that at least we don't want to be biased. Yes. So we'll go back again to the numbers. Okay, count here. Okay, who is Kazachat? So this one you can just have this. Yeah. All right. So the next one here is Kazuju. This person has collected. No, he has collected. He's a top person. Okay. Yeah. So the next one. Okay. So the Kajuju, who will pick for him? Then the next one is we have Gayago there. Okay. Then the next here is it Boryok DB? So we have released 3 for female, 3 for male now. Yeah, so now let's look at the female now. Who is Ashia Salama? Okay. I know. We are given 3 male now, consolation. So now the remaining 2 is for female. So Ashia Salama. And then the next one here is this a Shibayan. Is it a male?
It's a male.
Okay. Then we have male in Nuhu. Okay. Yeah, no, this one is complete. Everything is complete. So, yeah, looking at the trends now, everything is okay. So, thank you so very much, everyone. I think we have come to the end of this. So, thank you so much. So we are done with this session now. So we'll move to the main session for the day. Okay. I want to believe this thing will not be a distraction for us. Remember, we don't have much time today. We'll just speed up things so that we. Okay, so when we started with the incubator, the Jju Incubator. We try to see how we can assign article to our source, and after that, how we can be able to uh, paste it on the translation interface for the Jju, and then translate. After that, we delete the English and then we publish the translated one. So we've done that, and then we also move ahead to look at Wikimedia Commons as well. So these are the two basic things that we're just going to look at quickly. All right. So if you know you have any challenges based on the contribution on the or how to assign article yourself, please look up here because I'm just going to take that one. I will try as much as I can, to carry everyone along. So we need to pay attention. Okay. First, we all know how I got to this place, right? Please, any distraction. Everybody should settle down. So we all know how I got to this place. You know how we got to this place? This is called the meta page. This interface here is called the meta page for the Jju Wiki outreach, right? So from here now, once you scroll down, you'll see all the activities. Now remember, whatever we have done here today, since on Friday, in case you have a problem with that, any challenges, you can always fall back to the recordings. Down here, from this is day one. This table here is day one, the activities for day one. And if you look here, these are the recordings live on YouTube. So you check here, we have about three slides a day. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one. So once you click any of this one, you take the direct to page where you watch what we have been doing. So remember, for those of us who have been swallowing the food, opening our mouth like this, so this thing might capture it. So you can see your mouth there. Yes. So if we have any challenge as regarding this training, it's being recorded and everything is there for us to go back again and watch and then keep to date. So also the day two, everything that has been done is also here. We record it here. So just click on the link. My page. Okay. Yeah. So for the day two, everything is here. And then the day three, which is today, day three, which is Sunday, 7th December. And you can look at the timestamp here. We started, let's assume we started 1 o'clock, right? So this recording is currently going. If you click this one and you're watching yourself live as we are making progress. So after the session, you can always go back and watch all of these things. Now moving on, we also try to see how we can log in or create an account. So for example, after this session, you have a friend who you wanted to person to join. So all you need to do is to come back to this place for easy understanding. Come to this place. If you're already just click on this place. Remember, you have to use the person's device. So you take the person here, find your way to this place, click on this create new accounts, and then guide the person to create this account. Then whatever you have learned here, you can mentor that person based on knowledge about what you have learned. Here. So that's how to navigate that one. And also remember we have the Telegram group where a lot of communication is being done. So most of the communication as far as this company is communicated to us mostly on Telegram. But we also have the WhatsApp group. So we can either communicate to Telegram or WhatsApp. So if you want to be serious on this, you have to keep checking on your WhatsApp messages, especially the Jju Wikimedia community WhatsApp and Telegram pages. So all of that is there. Now, And then this also is a incubator, the Jju Wikipedia Incubator. So here is just to show you everything that is being done on the incubator here. Remember where we went and picked those names that collected our shares and our cards. Remember, we like those cards. We just have to collect them. So this is how we are tracking everything on the Jju Wikipedia Incubator. We track everybody's activities. The, the day you did what and what you did, everything will be tracked. Now we also have and then this one now is a new member to the Jju community on Meta. So if you want to register as a member of the Jju Wikimedia community, all you need to do is to click on this one. If you click on it, it will take you straight to this place. So this is the Jju Wikimedia meta page, main page. So from here now you see this is a list of members from Jju. So from here now, if you check and you can see your name on this place, that means you are not so doing well. So all you need to do is just go back from this place, click on this place here. Once you click here, it will bring you here to the members. This is the members page. So from here, sorry. So from here now, you can look at all the names of people who have registered as a member of the Jju Wikipedia community. So how do you register here? All you need to do from the top here, if you are using a mobile phone, you will not see it like this. You can only see a pen tool, like a pencil, right? So you just click on that pen tool. Then the interface will become like this, something not so looking good. So all you need to do is scroll down to the last here, to the last here. Remember, this one should be where it is, but there's a space here. Although this one, somebody tried to register and the person made a mistake. I don't know who this person is. It's you? Okay. So you can, based on what I'm just showing here, I'll just remove you from here now. Then you just remove you. So what is done in heaven, so what is done, what is binded on earth. So it is in heaven. So as I delete this one here now, so you are deleted. So you need to go back and start it afresh. Now, as I have done this, if I publish it now, even if you check your from your end, you will not find your name. So you see, it is not there. So all you need to do is just to look at what I just did. Click on this one. Yes. If you click on it, yes. Then you scroll down to the last year, and then enter another line. Then you start. Then you start with the hash, right? This is hash. So this is the hash. Then you put the four diacritics. Sorry, I don't know if you can see from there. Look at it. The way I just did this one like this.
Okay.
So once you do this one, make sure you don't give a space between. So once you do this one, then you scroll down and publish if you are on desktop mode. But if you are not, you just come to the top. You'll see a blue dot arrow where you normally click to publish. Just click there and publish, and your name will come up with the timestamp. So that is how to register as a member. As well. So yeah, that is that. It is important that we all register because this is where the community will know their members. Because if you are only here and you didn't register on this, there's no way to recognize you as a member of this community. So it is important for us to register. But before you register, make sure you are logged in before you register. If you are not logged in, do not reflect there. Okay, so we talk about this one. So let's go back again. Okay, so we talk about this one, how to join the community. Then we also look at the Translate Wiki, which we made mention that this one is not for everybody. The Translate Wiki. So the function of the Translate Wiki now, if you look at this interface, most of the write-up you are seeing here, all these places, is written in English. But the Translate Wiki now is where you can actually translate all of this in Jju language. So that everything on the interface, you don't want to have English. But this one now, that's why I said it is not for everyone. So we only need people who have the right command of the language to participate in the translation, which JJ has been very active on that from the one. So we have been contributing a lot on translating. So maybe we can just clap for him. So thank you. Yes. All right. So the translation, as far as we're out here, just ignore that one. Pretend it is not there. Unless if he bring you in. Unless if JJ bring you in, but just pretend that this one is not here. Now, moving on. Today now we'll be looking at the dictionary. And then we also have another thing called the archive scripts. So this one now will just before we go, I'll just take a recap and take us again. So I want to understand, is there anyone here who have problem with assigning articles? I don't, because we have done justice to that. I don't. So just to beat up time, I'll just go straight to how to upload the image. Because I see that one is also very important. How to upload. Okay. So for you to upload image, all you need to do just to come to your Google Chrome. From here, then you can type um, Wikimedia Commons. Wikimediacommons.org. Commons. Yes. Wikimedia Commons. So once you click on that one, it will open. Now look here, from the first, it will appear here at the top. You see the logo here is different from that of Wikipedia. So this is Commons, the logo for Commons. So you just click on this one, and then it will take you here. So this is the main page for Wikimedia Commons. So who can tell me what Wikimedia Commons is? Because we talked about it briefly. Just try. It must not be perfect. Just try. Awesome. So it's a place where we upload our images, audios, videos, all of this. It's the multimedia gateway to Wikimedia Foundation project. So that is where we upload all of these things. So after this program now, all the images that is been snapped here will be uploaded on Commons. The link will be shared to you where you can access all of these things. So you can go there, look at all the images, all the fine places, because there's no ugly person. Yes. So all the fine places and the fine places, you see them there. So anyone that you want to download, you can do it on the Commons. But then, how do you put the image there? How do you upload it there? So once you are in this place, first always remember, as long as you are in here, the first thing to check is to ensure that you are logged in. This is my username here. So it shows I'm logged in. Always make sure you are logged in. So having done this, then this is uploads. You see the upload button here. So this you can upload image, video, sounds, right? And then also 3D model designs. You can also upload Wikimedia Commons under free license. Yes. So click on uploads. Once you upload, it will take you to the upload wizard, which is here. So this is the upload wizard. This place here. This is it. So from here, if you scroll down, you see select media file to share. Select media file to share. I think yesterday we have about like 3 people who have uploaded. So I think you deserve that share. So well done. And other yes, uploaded yesterday. You have uploaded, so that's nice. So and also have another person. You. But we are pointing you. Okay, you want me to point you. I hear it. Okay, so all right. So let's see. So from here, all you need to do is to click on here. So by clicking on this, I will take you to where your images are stored. Okay, where your images are stored. Now it is important for you to upload smart. Don't go and steal somebody's picture and upload. You know we can steal somebody's picture. Don't go and steal. Try to do it yourself. All have smartphones. In fact, that we are here, I believe we all have smartphones. No matter how your phone is, you can snap something. Even if it's your chicken in your house, snap it and upload it. What do you call chicken in Jju? Men. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's proceed. You can snap the neon and the zone and then whatever, you can snap it and upload. But remember, you don't just upload things that doesn't make sense. If you're uploading, don't upload things that doesn't make sense. First of all, before you upload, you look at it. What can this thing be used for? What can this thing be used for? Is this thing useful? And the funny part again, there are things that are not useful, but it is useful. It is useful. So let's be careful on that one. But then we have to be intentional about what don't snap justice. You know, there are some people that will be on bike. They are moving and then they see one fine woman tie, Jju attire. So they will just turn their phone, phew, and just snap. So if you look at that image, you see it is not so clear. The whole thing is just looking like what do you call Okurusa in Okurusa. Yeah. So that one is please if you want to snap intentional. And the Wikimedia space, there's nothing like it. There's a campaign that I think a campaign has ended. It's called the Wiki for Human Rights. So that one now we go around snapping things that doesn't make sense. We find goal as snap things that doesn't. Those are the things we're interested in. That you can snap, them, upload them on comments. So a lot of things are happening. Remember, we have the United Nations program. This what do we call them? The SDG program. So the United Nations are funding all of these projects to get so that we can have a clean environment. But sometimes our government are not so safe. They funds and divert them. So our duty is to expose those things so that the international community will not be they are not doing it. So we send them there. All right. So having click, let's begin. Let's start this one here. So from here, you click on the add media file. I just wish you are writing it or you are following. Okay. Okay. So by clicking on media files, you take it to where your images are on your device, either a computer or your phone. So to take it there direct. So whatever you want, all you need to do is to trace it, to look at it. Here is that. So let me just look at something here that I want to upload. So, okay. Okay. There's a program we had in Kaduna last month um, in November, on November 1st. Jju was there. You were there, right? Did you tell them about the cake? Who didn't
You
tell
can't
them?
tell them. Don't worry. Tell them on my behalf.
I will tell them. Please leave me eye like this. Say I should not talk. I will talk. So there was a big cake in Kaduna. So we celebrated the Wiki data at 13th because we have different events. Even Wikipedia will be 25 by next year, by January. And we will see how we can be able to. So all these programs, different timing as the company celebrated. So we celebrated data last month. Yes, last month, and we hold a data atom, which is contributing, edit a lot of things on Wikipedia. So during that time, we had some. Okay, I've clicked on this. So I wanted to show some of the images that was snapped. Okay, so I click on an image that I want to upload. Now the image is uploading. As you can see from down here, how the thing is coming up, right? It's uploading. So once it's uploaded, this one is going to show a blue tick there. And you can see it a green. I'm not good with color. This is green, right? Uh-huh. So I wonder if they are going to heaven today and they say, "Queer, divine colors." I'll just buy the page. I will not go there and disgrace myself. Calm down now. See this guy. See this one. Yeah, give my trouble. I will teach you rubbish, yes, but I will not. Okay. No, no, no. It's that one. It's a joke. All right. So we have added this. For example, you added a picture and you think maybe this picture is a mistake. You can click on remove and remove it, right? And if you want to add another picture, having uploaded one, just click add more files. It will take you back to that place. This one is useful. So from here now, let's look at another one. Okay, let me just add this one. Thank you. Let me just add one picture. I'm trying to look at somebody from the meet all these people fat head. Okay, I see Uncle JJ here. Yeah. So I see Uncle JJ here. Eh? You people cannot do anything. My location is on.
Exactly where they are reading the ransom.
My location is on, so you people cannot do anything. Okay, so we have uploaded 2 images here. So having uploaded, what next? That's not enough. That's not that is this is just the beginning, right? Then you scroll down, you see continue here. Now from the continue here, now it's going to ask you some basic questions. Remember, I said if you want to upload, it is good for you to show yourself and upload. Don't go and this property, intellectual property, and claim that it's lost. So it is not right. So from here, you see some of the basic questions. All media files, all media uploaded to Wikimedia Commons are free for everyone to use and share anywhere on internet or off internet. To ensure the work you uploaded are copyright free. Now take note. To ensure it is copyright free, please provide the following information. So this one is your consent, to get your consent. Now the first question here is this work we are created by me and anyone is free to use, which means you have relinquished whoever wants to use them. And then this work are created by someone else and they are free to share. I wouldn't go deep into explaining that one, but I will just as I said the first one, let us click on this first one because it is created by me and I'm giving it out you can use. Then you come down here and then there are other questions. So this one here said this are this entirely your own work? Just insist in trying to understand Wikipedia entirely. So this one, this work are entirely created by me. So it is me, yes, I'm the one, right? So I click on that one. Then you scroll down to the license, which is awesome. Now the licensing we have different type of license. Okay.
Well, is it only one?
Yes, yes. No, 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 just one. Now under the licenses here, you can see that the two here. What license do you want to publish this work on? All media on common should be published under free license. Under free license. Do you have photographers here?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me ask this question now. Could be tricky, but it's simple. So I have a camera now, and I snapped you, right? So and now the image now, who owns the right to the image? I'm the one that snapped you.
The person that snaps.
Because
You are contracted to. You are contracted to.
Uh-huh.
if you use it for anything to sue the person.
Really? You think
Have the right.
you have the right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me just.
Okay.
In media, you have the right to do anything based on what you like. So if I snap people of your document, all that I can do. You cannot.
I don't like it.
There's nothing you can do because of what happened on that.
Okay.
But one thing is to defend what you write.
Yes, except it is not. It depends on what you write.
Now this one is a professional. Yes, it's a professional discussion. So, and you know, school fees is very
It's
expensive.
very expensive.
So, for those of us who are not aware, the fact that I snap, yes. So, I have the right because I'm the photographer. I don't get money from it.
All depends.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, but okay. There's another thing I wanted to say, but it skipped my mind because somebody is touching sweet. That's why I don't want to be eating some sweet. When I was growing up, I didn't eat too much sweet. So now that I'm here, I want to catch up with this. Somebody is distracting me with the food. So please don't distract. Allow Quay to do his work, right? I also understand that the Jew people like the name Quay.
But it's our head.
Let's continue. So from here now, you see the licensing here. We have Creative Commons waiver. So this one now release all right to anyone. Okay, this one release all right. Anyone is free to use this work in any way. So if you publish an image under this license, anybody can publish, can pick it and use it whatsoever they want. Yeah, that's the first one. CC waiver. Yes. So this one whatsoever, without even mentioning where they get the image from. So if you publish your work under this, even the Boko Haram, you just go and see them naming their treatment because you can have fun. You even use it to do one of the posters. So we intend this. Then the second one here is Creative Commons attribution. Oh, now this one requires the person using this file to give appropriate. What that means is if you get that image that is published under this license, you must mention the person. But you can also use it for whatsoever you want, but you must mention the. That's the difference between the first and the second. But the third one here now it says that the Creative Commons attribution share alike 4.0 require the person using this media to give appropriate credit and distribute under the same license. So if you publish it here now, whosoever wants to use it must also use it to promote free knowledge. To mention your name and not use it. So and we now in the Wikimedia community we try to make knowledge free for everyone to use because we all know how education is expensive. While the children of the school. So we try to make all of these things free. That's why we are all free knowledge contributors. So that is about the license. And we from the Wikimedia community, we always recommend you using the third one. The third one. So once you click the third one, that is the license you are dedicating to. So people can still use it, but they will use it under things that are not commercial. Free. So from here now we go to next. So here is next. After entering this information, go to next. Now this is where the whole thing is interesting. You have to give it a title because every image must carry a title. Every image must carry a title. So on this particular one now, this is okay. That's right.
This I think the option that gets discussed because of this book. This book provides this instruction on information.
Okay, yeah, that's for you. That's for you people who are new to the system. Yes. That's for you people who are new. You'll see all of those things for you. If you have never even uploaded, by the time you click on upload file, you'll see some things like cartoon. You'll first come up first and scatter your file. Am I correct? So that one is to provide guidance, is to guide you all those information you are studying to read them so that you understand all of those things. So all of those things will pop up just to show you to guide you how to implement it. But for us who are doing it, one of those things is necessary. Software will never show it to us. We have done that. So this one now is souvenirs for Wikidata. 13th anniversary. So 13th anniversary. Now this one now you see the title has been put. Now for this title now, as it is, you can just copy it and come under the caption here. You also need to put in something there. So you recommend the title and the caption can be the same, no problem, right? Now, the funny thing about this thing is, remember the images where I got this image, you have a lot of these souvenirs. I cannot go and pick another image and look exactly like this and give it this same title. So it must be unique. It must be unique. That is where the challenges of most that's where they come from. So if you put the first one as souvenirs for Wikipedia, right? Now, the next image now, you must put something differentiated with this so that the system will recognize it. If not, it will show that this thing has been used. Yes, title is already existing. So that is another thing that we need to take note of. And then if you want to provide additional, if you want to add to additional other languages as well, so you can just click on caption in other languages. And then we'll have the description here. If you want to describe what is this thing is, so just come down to the description and do this one, and then everything also with that information, additional information you want to provide. Now we have the date. Now for those of us who are using digital phones, if you use your phone, truly use your phone and snap, you should capture the date. Now the software here will also capture that date. Now if you look here now, you will see the date that this image was snapped. It was snapped on the 1st of November 2025 at exactly 10:18, 16. So it will capture it. Then you scroll down. Now the subject here, it is optional though. You might not put it. So what is the subject there? Subject is the main thing that you are seeing here. So this one now is just like let's say paper bags, right? These are paper bags. So this is a paper bag. Okay, bag made out of paper. So you can just pick this one. So we have added this information, the objects, the main object. Now, coming down here, we'll add the category. So Kamba was describing what the category was yesterday. I don't know if we have forgotten. Have we forgotten that? What the category is to easily identify the object. Classify the object where, in case you forget the category, just